Hello, this is Jackie with J&M Reviews. Today I'm very excited to review the Pnuff Crunch snacks. I was provided 4 samples by the company and I absolutely love them. The reason why this is open is because I want to show you how they look and the taste. So this is a cheddar jalapeno. It has 20 grams of protein. What I like about all the snacks is that they have brown rice. They are made with navy beans, and they are made with peanuts, which is good for your health. It's good for your gut, and you don't have to feel guilty about snacking. So this is how they look inside. They look like regular puffs, and this is the cheddar and jalapeno. It has a little bit of a spice, but nothing strong. So if you don't really like a lot of spicy food, this is perfect. It's a perfect balance between the cheddar and the jalapeno. I tried it. I like it, and I'm looking forward snacking them in a lunch, in a break, even a little bit at dinner. Perfect. Also, I would like to talk about the barbecue. So they taste like a barbecue chip. The barbecue is delicious. It will go well to accompany with other meals. This is a great snack. I have a toddler, and I was able to introduce him to this flavor. He loves it, he likes it, and it's great. Even though this is snacking for adults, my child enjoys it too. I have here the peanuts, the baggie of the peanuts. This is how they look. It tastes delicious. It's very good. I like it. It has a little bit of a sweeter taste, not like the other ones that are more salty. This is sweeter. And for me, the sweetest taste is the cinnamon. It's delicious. I like it. I enjoy it because it tastes reminds me a little bit of like a sweet cinnamon roll, like a cinnamon pastry, and I enjoy it. I like it with coffee. I like it with tea for a snack in the afternoon. I like all of them. I'm looking forward to finish all of them. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do, and thank you for watching my video.